In today's video, I'm going to show you how to soft reset your Telegram account. This is a simple process that helps clear up storage space and refresh your app without losing any of your messages, contacts, or chat history. A soft reset essentially clears your media cache, which includes photos, videos, and other files that Telegram has stored on your device. This is perfect if your app is running slow, taking up too much storage, or you just want to give it a fresh start. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your device. You can do this on your phone, tablet, or computer. For this tutorial, I'm using the web version, but the steps are similar across all platforms. Once Telegram is open, look for the settings option. On most versions, you'll find this by clicking the three horizontal lines or the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Settings to open your account. Settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll see several options related to your account: privacy, notifications, and data. Look for the option labeled data and storage. This is where Telegram keeps all the settings related to how your app handles data. Usage, storage, and downloads. Click on data and storage to continue. Once you're in the data and storage section, scroll down until you find the option that says clear media cache. This is the key step for performing a soft reset. Clearing the media cache will remove all the downloaded photos, videos, voice messages, and files that Telegram has saved locally on your device. Don't worry, this won't delete your messages or remove you from any chats. It only clears the stored media to free up space. Click on Clear Media Cache. Telegram may show you how much storage will be freed up. Confirm the action, and the app will begin clearing the cache. Depending on how much data you have stored, this might take a few seconds or a minute. Once it's done, your Telegram account has been soft reset. The app will feel faster, take up less space, and you'll still have access to all your chats and contacts. And that's it. You've successfully soft reset your Telegram account by clearing the media cache. This is a great way to keep your app running smoothly without having to delete anything important. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.